I'm like obese.
You got one slow person, one really fast person, and one mediocre.
I beg to differ.
God, I don't know how to do anything.
Can I have a spear? Whoever
Oh,
green.
stop!
Oh yeah, you can steal them.
No, not Isaiah!
You're coming with me.
Give me back!
I'm stealing the child.
Guys, give me a second, guys. Please.
Wait, hold on.
Ali, stop jumping.
Give me a second. Let me.
You can make spears while you're holding me.
Ali, lie down. Ali, lie down. I got you.
Let me.
Oh my god.
Later.
Thank you, guys. I appreciate the help.
You're too heavy.
Oh wow.
Oh my god. Nah, maybe you should really eat.
Can you like let us see?
Guys, ignore that. You didn't see that. Oh!
You realize like you hit 2 bats. Bats like shit.
That's why.
Guys, you gotta give me.
Oh, that's why that thing activated.
You've gotta bear with me.
Come here. Let me try to pick you up.
No, it's fine. I got this. Gourmand's got the movement. I don't know what you mean.
He's
Why
literally
does
the opposite of movement, Ali.
Oh my god, pop movement! Okay, whatever.
Don't pick it up.
I'm going the other way.
Oh.
I won't pick it up. I'm just going the other way.
Do you want to see my super move? I call it the smash and move, 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 move. You better watch out. Oh,
Oh,
nailed. That could have worked. Can I eat it? I want to eat it. I'm hungry. Thank you.
No, Ali, you can combine it with stuff.
I could have made like a
You can make a sticky bomb that one shots you.
could have made a karma
and,
bomb.
like, most things.
Karma bomb. It's my
Like
great.
one shot red lizards.
I missed.
Why are you pulling? Why are they red anyway? Bam.
That melatonin or something.
Ow.
Food.
Oh.
Ali, save me! Use your command power!
Give me.
Yeah, spear them. Wrappy, come on, save me.
God,
Oh my god.
I'm so small.
Oops.
I'm so
dead.
I was too tired. I'll avenge you. I got you. Why? Wait.
God, I'm
What are
so
you doing?
small. Stop! I can't see.
That's not me. You're holding R. Someone's holding R.
Somebody's movement key, the other's map.
Wait.
I didn't really check.
R is map for me.
Yeah.
Can we go like
How
sleep?
about you go hibernate? Yeah.
Neb wants to be included. Whoever gets there first is Goofy. I lied. If you get okay. Anyway,
Average Gourmand.
and
Oh my god, we are gonna struggle to get up
give me a
there.
second.
Hold on, Alan.
Why would you do that to me? Wait, who? Neb.
Sorry.
Who keeps holding R?
Not me.
Wrappy, stop holding R.
What's R? And
E. Stop holding E.
E is my grab
I'm
button.
definitely not holding E then.
E is my grab move. That's my grab button.
It's also R.
What? R is map. E is not
Your
map.
E is my R.
Continue.
Wait, no, bro.
What?
Hmm?
Actually, yeah. I do
Controls
need to-
first.
Yeah. Controls. I also need to change something real quick.
I'll do it fast.
Yeah, don't worry. It's just one control and it's in the throw.
Coral, if you're watching, don't watch, because if I click the story mode, it might take me to a spoiler screen.
Just for 0.2 seconds. What? Wait, we didn't.
Okay, it didn't take us to a spoiler screen.
Alright.
The control.
Yeah, it's up here.
Alright, calm down, pal.
Okay, my bad.
The control.
Are you going to turn off the death commentary as well?
I turned it off.
Thank
You
you.
already did.
Alright.
Your pickup and E is R,
That-
and your map is W.
Okay.
Your map
change
is
my
L.
throw. My throw.
No, there's no overlapping buttons.
Yeah, I know,
So
but-
one of you just being fucky.
It
Can I change my throw?
Okay.
Safely. Alright, thank you.
backslash. Jesus Christ.
My keyboard's
Two
screwed, bro.
handed.
Don't worry about it.
But I
It's
play.
actually close
I
to-
play one-handed.
Alright, test that shit, bro.
Oh,
Oh wait, yeah, actually. Core. Why is that controlling? Huh?
It wasn't.
connected. Xbox controller.
What? I can't control. What did you do? Did you connect a controller?
No.
What the
I
fuck?
don't.
No, I can't control anything.
Yeah, you can. You just did. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, you can.
What the
Look, you're
fuck?
controlling stuff. You're moving stuff.
You do it. You do your move your keyboard. No, I can't control anything.
What? Why?
Alright,
Stop it.
Hey. Okay.
BTW, the stream is death.
Whatever. Oh, that shit. I'm the.
I didn't even do anything. What the hell?
Oh my god.
please don't. Alright, let's go.
Okay, you can still move down. So.
Pal, stop pushing me. I'm Gourmand. Give me a sec.
Please stop squashing me.
Okay. Let's
Where are we
go.
going? This way? Okay.
We're going up to industrial, but first we got a chunk on something.
Oh wait. Okay.
Can I crush something? Never. I've got a good idea. Alright, so what you do, yeah, is you pick me up.
I do a backflip jump to the air and then you jump
And then,
over me.
yeah, okay, let's do that.
Lie down, we test this combo.
Oh, sorry, let's do it again.
I am. All right.
Oh no, it wouldn't work. I need to.
That's
Wait,
okay.
do it from this
I'm gonna
pole.
I'm gonna
Wait,
send
no,
you for
don't.
one.
Do it from this pole. No, I'm talking. Nah, pick me up and do it.
Someone's coming, Ali, okay.
Okay, you gotta wait for it,
I
alright.
can't get a backflip off this though.
It's my, you don't need a backflip, you just need to jump. Alright, we got this. No,
Here.
Neb, go. No, don't kill it. Oh my
I
god.
can't throw. Wrong throw button.
No,
wrong throw button.
move, Wrappy,
I'm
move.
alive. You guys are.
Oh no,
You missed.
just, it's
Ali,
not.
quickly! Engage! Let me pick you up!
I gotta create spears.
Oh no,
You're missing so badly!
I can't control where I fall.
Oh my god.
I got you, Neb. Can I like? Okay, I got this.
Jump!
I'm so good.
What? There we go.
Hold on, wait. Let me.
Alright.
You can't feed for what the hell's going on? This looks so weird.
Alright, can we hibernate? Guys, let's try not all speak at once, alright?
We made a fucking
Hat my wait, can
What do you call
wait,
this?
pick me up, someone. Okay.
Aha.
Never mind, let's go.
Wait, Ali, let me pick you up.
No, let's just go. We need to get some chunk food. Can you wait for me? Like, give me a second. I need to rebreathe every time I jump. No, we're going down.
My spear now.
Stop picking
Get
up
on my
my
back. Yeah, wait, why are we going down?
Because
Food.
we're going in
I don't
here.
know. Wait, let me generate some spears real quick, bro.
This is the.
Wait, can I generate? I can generate while you're moving.
What the hell? What? They turned into just a white bar on top of me.
I can throw while you're moving.
I'm a sentry.
Mama, I'm a criminal. Can someone like? Can you guys like chill your beans? I have no clue what you're doing.
I'm generating and throwing spears because it's just a thing that I can do.
You should pick.
Why though?
Alright,
Alright, do we have enough food or what?
No.
Make a meal. Make a meal with some blue fruit. I'll get you some blue fruit.
thank you, homie. I'll be in here
Here,
waiting.
Let me help you get it down, bro. Let me help you get it down.
Nah, I have enough jumping
Okay.
power.
Did I pick some up? I don't know.
Bro, I keep on picking up your damn spears.
Here comes Zoe. Noodle.
Don't kill it.
Stop.
Wait,
I'm
where's the
stopping
blue
now,
fruit?
I'm stopping
Can
now.
you like? Oh, okay, you're being annoying. Come on.
I was getting 2 blue fruit.
I've not got one.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Dorime.
Don't you be doramating me.
Right.
Wait, let me stop. Let me crush him. Let me crush this guy. It'd be like a quadruple kill.
Oh my god, you nearly.
Don't kill it. All right, push this.
Okay, you won't. Then the like.
Okay.
Heal from.
Oops. Oopsie daisies.
Generating spears. Generating spears.
I'm scared. All right, it's fine. This guy's not gonna do anything to me.
I have spears.
Oh,
Come on.
Dorime.
I'm ready to kill.
What? Who's he attacking? What's he attacking? Oh, he's attacking Iggy.
I'm ready to kill whenever you are. On you. Oh no!
That tied me out.
My spears were expired.
Little pie gon' kill.
I got this. I got this. Can you like kill him?
Son.
No. Wait, can I take him into the shelter with us?
Ali, combine this baby with something.
Fine, we're full. I'm taking this noodle doodle.
If we get like a overseer eye, we can combine it and then get something wacky.
Guys,
Alright.
this is my best friend.
Can we go sleep? Come on.
Can we get an overseer eye first?
Can we? I
We can
guess.
make something wacky with these two.
Oh, we can't crush this guy. Come on. I need to get a crush kill in.
Me?
No, I'm crushing. I'm crushing the green dude.
You're Russian?
I'm crushing. Move.
Oh, the green dude over there, he's dead.
He will be once I jump.
Oh,
No.
that guy isn't. That guy isn't though.
Watch.
Iggy, what are you doing?
Who's Iggy? Alright.
In the bottom. He's
L. Okay, let him fall. Let him. No, don't. What are you doing?
I'm giving him a bit of a cripple, Ali.
Oh no!
Ali.
I got this.
Go!
Get
Dorime.
him! Get him!
Yeah.
He got donked.
Who's not dead yet? Let me finish him off. He's not dead. He's still got a bit of life to him. No, I need to finish this guy for good.
Oh,
Okay,
he's
well,
not dead.
no, he is dead here.
Crush his skull. Finish it.
Let's just hibernate. We've not got much time anyway.
Come here, let me pick you up. Please. I
Yeah.
wanna try.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
I want to kill Iggy.
God. Let's go!
What the? You've not picked me up. You just grabbed me.
Wait, yeah, I know. I'm trying to. Okay.
Okay.
God, these controls are confusing.
Go faster, Ali!
I can.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Alright.
I just accidentally did that. Wow, that's crazy.
I'm
No,
stuck.
that's crazy.
Ah,
Never. I'm stuck.
You're so heavy. Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Alright. Can we just go hibernate now?
I want to kill Iggy and make this note into something.
what did
It'll
he
probably just
do?
make it alive. Parallel plus notes equals alivening.
Dorime. We said at the same
I think
time.
this room big enough for Iggy to just be like, yo, what's up, Maggie?
There's also room for crushings. Hey, Neb, I've got an idea. Stand here.
Me when the threat music.
Neb, stand here. Lay down here.
Ali, I'm bouncy, Ali.
Neb, lay down here. Oh no, it didn't work. Let me try again. Whoa.
Ray. Oh, it's gone. Got it.
Alright, I got this. Watch. Watch and learn.
I think
Guys,
it's the rain,
the
you
rain
know.
Guys.
is about to come. The rain is about to come, guys.
Me too.
Don't you dare.
What?
Alright, let's go. Give me a second, guys.
I did it again.
You have to give me
Wait,
seconds. I can't, like, stop jumping. Dorime.
He's flicking his rivulet on me.
No, please don't leave without me.
Come on, Ali, come on!
Man, slow as fuck.
No!
Jumps away from
Goodbye.
forever.
Goodbye.
Ali just got compressed.
Yeah, I'm pretty dead.
Continue. Oh, turn on.
Alright, so,
Ba-dum, ba-dum. Continue.
I can't press
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Da-dum. Hello, Ali.
Hi,
Here, I'll carry you.
thank you.
Choose 0 mobility players versus the
Yeah,
500 mobility players. Let's go.
Nev, are you coming?
My drink all over the place, one sec.
How would you even, that's like the worst excuse ever, but okay. I've got an idea.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Ali, you remember you can roll forever.
I can roll
Wait, Nat,
forever.
can you please carry me?
Unique.
Can we please sentry, bro?
There's a King Vulture, by the way.
Oh, let's sentry him, bro. Let's
Just
sentry.
kidding. I was just kidding.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
no, you're right. I'm also.
Alright.
I don't know
Whoa.
this.
Watch this. Do you want to see a magic trick? I call it the bump and slide. Come on.
Take the camera.
Oh, never mind. He's not there. Alright, let's go. Let's go up to. There we go. That's the guy. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna knock him off, and I'm gonna jump on him from above. Alright. So you need to knock him
Alright.
down here, and I'll jump on him. I need to be able to see.
Can't see.
Alright. Knock him off the thing. Don't kill him. Just knock him off.
Sorry.
Can't see.
So-
Ah!
What are you doing?
Sorry, Ali.
Neb! Oh no! Now I'm
I got you, I got you. Lie down, lie down, lie down.
Oh,
Get
sorry.
him, get him, get him, get him.
He's stuck in the hill game. This is a good shit.
I don't
Oh,
know.
no,
Why are you killing
I'm
him?
sorry, I meant to take him, I meant to like knock him down.
Of course it worked. Is it dead?
God damn.
Let me
Rick
finish
was
him
so
off.
fucked.
Move. I need to finish him off. Okay. Or not.
Get
That's,
him, Ali.
that's not me. I'm not pressing that. Someone keeps pressing R. Okay.
Finish him. What are you
Okay.
doing?
Okay.
Stop.
Alright. Alright, let's go.
Oh, smooth.
mobility on
Oh,
me.
lie.
Let's go.
Can't believe the Gourmand is flexing his flexibility on me. Oh god. Okay, never mind, I'm fine.
Am I stuck? Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh no, I missed you
Oh,
all.
you missed-
Missile. Actually, that'd be a really good way to kill. Who
I
keeps
made it,
pressing
I made
R? Guys, can you stop pressing R? I'll say. So,
I'm not even pressing anything. So
It's W equivalent for me.
Oh.
well, don't press W. Can you like stop?
please no, please Leo,
Stop!
please. No,
I'll stop, I'll stop.
Oh no. Okay.
I'm not risking this. Oh.
Oh my god.
Alright. Alright, okay. Can we like go
Get
now?
up. Oh, I'm
Oh.
pressing the wrong button.
It'll take you 5 seconds to get up. It takes me 30 seconds to get up.
Iggy instructing us how to use a gate.
Oh my god. This is.
You don't fit into Iggy's proportions.
It's fantastic. I know what you mean.
Spear
Why isn't
jump.
it
Can you
working?
not?
Why isn't it?
Because he's making spears.
Can you stop?
Okay, I'm sorry.
GTG.
Right.
See ya.
Goodbye.
Alright.
Stop. Why are you always taking my spears?
Please don't. Alright, let's go.
Spiritual revolution.
What is this? I just like being a big gourmand.
Lie down, Wrappy. Fuck off. Alright.
Oh my.
We're not sleeping in there.
I can probably carry around you normally.
Oh.
Thanks for that. It's appreciated.
Oh, you took my spear. Again.
Alright. Oh wait,
Whoa.
let this guy fall. Let him fall. It's gonna be revolutionary. Don't kill him, just let him fall.
Hello, Blue Lizard.
Move. Knock him.
You know you can just climb.
Move, move.
I'll get him.
No, I missed.
No.
Alright, it's okay. Just keep him distracted. I'm the ultimate weapon.
It didn't work. I tried to do it.
I
Take the camera.
stop taking the camera because we need the camera to. We're not gonna save you either. We can try. Okay.
The likelihood of us saving you is very low.
Alright, I'll save you. Don't worry. I mean, I'll avenge you.
I love being able to see. Ali, I'm taking the camera.
Alright.
Oops.
Oh.
Oh my god!
Okay, you're just climbing a pole. It's okay.
I'm fucking dead.
You've been dead for quite a while.
I just died properly though.
Nearly made it. Careful.
Alright, you can make that. Wait, I just need to make sure that I don't die.
Okay, I don't. Can't see.
Okay, you can do that without looking. Come on. Oh, banana.
Why am I not? Okay, here we go.
Do you want a cool trinket? This is a gift from me to you. Give me
Yeah?
a second.
The bomb.
There you go.
Oh, let's go.
I just ate it again. I didn't mean to.
You should have
but-
speared it out of his hand when you had the chance.
I should have
Okay.
actually.
Ali, what the fuck? Just jump that.
Not jump that.
You don't even go up that way. you
Stop
should go up on the
pressing.
outside.
Oh, come on, guys.
No, I want. I don't have a mouth. Around.
It isn't,
Get
man.
out of
Just, I need to breathe. Oh my god, I can't make a single jump. Okay, someone keeps pressing R.
I'm just climbing up.
Someone keeps holding E and R. I don't know who it is. Can you
Not
like,
me, so it has to be Wrappy.
Wrappy, stop holding E and R.
I'm pressing X and the up arrow.
You must be accidentally misclicking because it's definitely not me.
Nope. I'm
Alright,
clearly.
whatever, it's fine. Okay, we are not doing that.
Let's go hibernate. Oh. Okay. If you eat those bat flies.
That's alright, we can already hibernate.
We can
Let's go.
hibernate now. Quick, go, quick. He's following us.
That was a
I
perfect
got
icky
a pearl. I
chance.
got a pearl.
Good for you. Alright, don't eat that. We don't need to eat it. I need it for crafting. Don't eat it.
Craft it, yeah, craft it.
I need an
Get up.
eye as well.
Wait. Vulture grab plus Karma Floor equals Vulture Mask.
Stop holding R! Wait, what?
Combine that with the Vulture grub.
I don't think I've got it anymore. Oops.
Aw.
Can I combine this and see
I'm
what it
making a
makes?
Noodle Fly egg.
That's worth it.
I just have that vibe. But I mean,
Can I give it a
I can
shot?
make a Vulture.
Are you gonna
Sure, why not?
What are we gonna get? What are we
I
gonna
made
get?
I made corn.
Yum. That was
We can
wo-
hibernate!
You can
Yes.
make the corn with something.
that was worth it. That was worth
Maybe
it.
for a meal.
My bad.
It's okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, Ali's getting compressed again.
It's okay. I made it out.
Sleep. Oh, never mind. That's
The pelvis smasher. Oh, crusher. Sorry.
106 has breached containment.
Alright. Alright.
Nomad. Continue.
Okay. I got him good.
Got him good.
Alright.
No, why are you guys always taking my thing?
Okay, let's go.
Stop! My pearl!
Well, give me a spear so I can like instantly kill something. I'm just strong. I'm just slow.
Strong but slow.
That's
the
lit-
downsides of life.
That's just the downside of being big.
Oh my god!
You have to give it a second to
Was that
actually.
a science? I'm getting. Get
I
out
got
of here,
this. I
please.
got this, guys. Watch and learn. I call this one the double Miashio. Oh no, I got this. I got this. Watch. Watch and
It's
learn.
already gone.
Wait, watch. Watch and learn. Or not.
I'm watching.
I've not learnt a thing. Please don't let me die, Neb. I've got so much to live for. Thank you.
Ali, combo time. Ready? Get down.
I have no
Wait.
fears, no.
Backflip.
End him.
Oh my god, these keybinds are gonna kill me.
It's okay. He's dead.
Ah!
Whoa. Okay.
Wait, what the hell is this? What?
Go!
Oh, you're on top of the... No, you're holding onto me.
I was
Ali, Ali, lie down.
Please don't let go.
Oh, she can't
If you
stand
want
up.
me, let me go. Oh, there's.
Get off me. You're me.
Stop trying to pull away. We'll jump together. Alright, wait.
No, don't take the gun off.
If we jump together, then you'll have an increased jump boost.
Okay. Let's go.
So just
Average slug cat gameplay.
Alright.
Ah,
Okay, we're not leaving each other's side from now on.
This is so goofy. No, wait, for us.
Okay, we've got
I'm
this. What do you mean you're out? There is no leaving it.
Oh my god, the fucking pole. Bro, what is with the poles? Why are they so powerful? Oh my god!
I feel bad for these poles.
there's a
I got this, I got this, I got
coming,
this. This is the...
That's not cyan.
guys. He's got-
Get off me! Well, you're on me. You're on me, by the way.
Leave
Yes,
off,
You're
leave
on me.
off.
You're on me. No, you're not. I can't let go of you.
Guys,
No, 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 no,
You're on me. Please let go.
no, no.
I can't let go. I can't. I'm not.
I'm here to save the day.
Say it was you.
I saved the day.
Let's go.
Stop taking off! Oh my god! No, oh my god, please. Stop. Stop trying to kill me.
Ollie, come on. No.
We're going on a journey. Let's go to garbage.
No, not trip. My favorite route.
Alright, we're going to garbage this way.
Oh my god.
Mm. You know what
Wait,
this
let me make
means?
spears. Let me make spears.
Ollie, I'm bait!
Engage. Engage.
I didn't straight.
Ow,
No, 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 no. Get the. No. No. I barely made it out alive. No, get off. Time to end the surreal.
God,
Alright.
these keybinds are gonna kill me.
I'm sure he'll live.
I can't do anything with these keybinds.
It's alright. Stop complaining.
Right, Ollie, eat the lizard.
I know.
I can't. Okay, I will.
This is literally the food crew. When you're playing, you play Hunter. Oh, you play Gourmand and Spearmaster, and they get the best foods. Because Spearmaster
Nom,
gets the
nom,
foods from when they're alive, and Gourmand
Wait.
gets the food from when they're dead.
Can we just pause for a second? I'll be back in a sec.
Save us!
What? What was happened? I was AFK
We
for
don't
a
want to
s-
talk about it.
Quick,
What?
save us, Ali!
Where,
Save us!
where are you?
Dead.
No, we're
Just-
dead.
just
we're
go to the
dead.
shelter
You
top
gotta
right.
get to the shelter. You gotta get to the shelter.
I
You can
can't.
go to the one on the other side if you really.
There. What?
Let's do.
Oh,
Okay. Here's the thing.
that's a vulture. That's a
Ollie,
vulture.
oh my god, no, you made a grave mistake!
Run! No!
It's a bit of rain, I'm pretty sure.
My game's.
Come on.
Nev, can you stop streaming? There's no point, and it's lagging it out.
True.
Anyway, wow. Stop back in. Alright. I don't even want to know how you both died, and how I didn't die. I don't.
We carried you
Vulture
and
and Vulture.
Before we go in, I want to have a look at something.
No, go in. Go
It's
in.
been a bit of rain, Ali.
See, now I can survive the rain.
With the bubble weeds, I mean, I guess technically.
I mean, that's the danger of the rain isn't drowning. It's really the
It's really
Come
the
on.
kinetic force.
Mhm. Oh no, it's crashed.
Has it? No, it hasn't.
Yeah, it has.
It's working. It's working though.
No, it's
The
not. It's not.
Pause menu though. What? I don't know.
Do you want to just restart?
No. Oh, we
We'll have a short of work in the morning.
We were so close. So close.
Let's at least get to garbage before we end off.
Oh yeah, we can do that. Now that all three of us are here, we can do that.
No, can you start? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Where are we?
I know where we are. I have the pearl. So that means we're at the goddamn side place with the
pearl.
info flower at the bottom. Yes, sir.
Ali, combine this with a. No, Ali!
Get the pearl. Do you want the pearl?
No eating!
Alright,
Combine, I'll get you something to combine with.
I've got something to combine it with.
If you combine it with a rock, it makes an extremely overpowered bomb. Ali, can you regurgitate a batnip up? Oh, we have no food.
I'm waiting for it.
We need food, Ali.
Ali, please.
I'll go find this food. You guys stay here.
Where am I?
Oh,
I got.
never mind.
Let's go. We're coming, guys.
I can't go up. I don't know why. Tell me when you're safe so I can look at myself.
Egotistical.
Hey, shut up.
Alright, let's go.
You know what I mean. Oh.
Wait, where am I?
Was I just chilling there?
Ali kept on going down. Meow. Oh wait, oh, you're there. What the hell?
Bam!
Game, please stop. Okay, I'm here finally.
Whoa. I feel like I've just been on acid or
Batfly.
something. Batfly, where?
There. Oh, and
Where?
Alright, Ali, regurgitate.
No, I'm scared. Let's kill this
Just
guy
do it.
first. Watch this. I see a magic trick. I call it
oh my god,
Shambhala.
please! I need to feed. I need to feed my friends and family, and you keep taking my spirit.
Ali, create a batnip. Come on.
Okay. I'll create a batnip. Here we go. Oh,
Alright,
oh.
combine this with this rock.
Coming.
That's not a rock. Not that. Don't combine that.
So many guys, 2 lizards are coming.
Where's the? Okay, here it is. Here's a rock. I'll protect you. You
Pillion.
can't do jack shit, bro. I got this.
No, I was gonna kill it, but you got in the
Oh,
way.
why do I have an echo flower?
Why
Okay.
did you? Okay, give me the floor. Hang.
Can I have that rock?
Yeah, you need it. We need the second rock. We need the second rock.
Use my spears, please.
Oh, no, I'm tired.
You launch yourself.
Okay, give me a second.
Alright, combine those two.
Ah, with the power.
Alright, now we need a rock.
We'll find one
Rock.
down
I'll
here.
go get a rock.
And we just go down anyway, don't we?
Yeah,
And
Yeah,
we just
we're going
killed
to
the
garbage.
rift lizard.
there's a rock. I
I'll-
got this for you.
Why is the echo flower like half eaten? Oh wait, no, it's
We
not.
did talk
I'm blind
about
as hell,
it.
bro. I'm blind as hell,
Wow.
bro.
Alright, now combine this bomb with the karma flower.
Crafting at its finest. Whoa.
Alright.
Is that a donut?
Don't stick that in. If anybody wants to be a suicide bomber, but that will one-shot King Vultures and stuff.
That'll be me.
Yeah.
Go down there. Move, 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 move.
Why is it? Why is it?
Uh,
Okay, hold on.
No,
I've got
no,
everything
just
under
move.
control.
So he comes down here so I can jump in.
Like,
You
this-
keep
this is
onto
the
it.
thing-
You
no,
keep
this
onto it.
thing has, like-
You
okay,
keep
okay.
onto it. No. Okay.
What?
We were running.
Oh.
You shouldn't have gone alone. Come on, Neb needs to go.
I did not expect there to be a green lizard, okay?
That's the spirit of Rainworld. Alright.
Beanless.
Oh my gosh. This-
Oh, that tune's good.
I think they
Have a
like
trim
us.
on.
Are we friends?
I had a girl.
We're neutral, so the mean ones might just try to kill us because they're mean.
This is the chance! Can I use it? Can I use it?
Didn't even come
Oh, you just blew me up.
Oh my
There's no
God.
need. You just blew me up. Now you've got
We can
massive.
combine these two
Let's
and get
see it.
Neuron, I'm pretty sure.
You killed the seer.
I'll take your body in Legacy.
Don't you dare let that guy eat it.
Escape in español.
I like her mobility skills, especially with me.
No, Leon. I mean, please, not again.
Oh, I want to be Gourmand. Okay, wait. If I do, Right.
Just take the eye. No, you need the eye.
no, I have a plan. I'm gonna drop the mask off over here. A neuron flower, plus an overseer eye creates a neuron. Yeah, I know it sounds wacky, but
Why are we even using Neuron?
pretty light, Ali.
Oh no,
Flame on.
we can give it to Moon.
I mean, yeah,
No,
but
why
like
not?
light.
Because of Massacre.
Okay. Your mobility skills are through the roof.
Average.
Literally,
Well, mine
me
are
flying through the
well,
roof.
mine are in the roof.
No, yours are in the floor, Ali.
are from the roof to the floor.
I think it makes a neuron because overseers are like part of an iterator.
That's interesting. Who's gonna eat it though?
I mean, I think they share all of the attributes.